Hey love, I have a quick and easy girl dinner for you tonight. It's a 3 mushroom pasta. It is vegetarian, but you can add any other meat or vegetable that you would like to this meal. And I have my cousin with me here today, so she's going to tell you how it's made since she actually made this meal. Bye!
Hey guys, I'm the cousin, and today I will be helping Chana out making this pasta. So right now, I'm just mixing the shallots together until they're translucent. So I'm just gonna stir them up, make sure it's all even, and mix in the pan. And then she's gonna add the garlic, and then some mushrooms. And when you add the mushrooms, make sure you stir them and cook them until they sweat so all the moisture is evaporated into the pan. So now I'm just stirring them. And here's a close-up shot. Looking good. So now after a while of stirring, we're going to add some white wine to bring out those flavors in the pasta. Adds a very good enhancement, very good touch to the pasta. Another close-up. It's looking pretty good. Now we're going to add some butter. And then we're going to just stir that in until it all melts. And then after the butter's melted, we're going to add our heavy cream. And then we're going to add some salt to bring out the flavor. And some pepper. And then we're going to add some Parmesan cheese to thicken the pasta. Now we're just going to mix all that together until it thickens. Alright, now our pasta is ready, so we're just going to add that to the mixture once it's thickened. And you're going to want to add rigatoni. You're just going to want to mix that in gently until it's all incorporated together. And maybe you can add a little more Parmesan to the mixture. Alright, now that the mixture is done, we're going to put it in a bowl and taste it. Alright, here's a close-up of it. It looks so good. And this is us trying it. And y'all, it was so good. I had like 3 bowls after this. You have to try it.